If you're someone who's interested in starting an affiliate marketing business online or growing your existing affiliate marketing business so that you have more sales, more commissions, then I have great news for you. Because in the past, starting and growing an affiliate marketing business online was a difficult feat. But now, because of business systems, you can accomplish that goal in a more simple way, in a more cost effective way, in a more profitable way. And one of the solutions that I want to share with you today is called the Affiliate Business System. And this particular system is unique because it's built on what's called a connector hub based business model. No one is talking about this. You probably never heard about it, but in just a couple of days here, you will be able to attend a live training, a live free training and workshop where the owner and creator of this affiliate business system, Vic Stryzus, will go over with you a live demo of this affiliate business system. It includes everything from content creation to traffic generation and lead generation, sales conversions, commissions earnings, profit generation, all of those components built inside of this ecosystem that's going to allow you to launch your own profitable affiliate marketing business in just 7 days or less. If you're interested in registering to attend this live training, visit the web address below and I'll see you there.